chewies or these? Yeah.
The salmon chewies. This is Tigger.
Yeah, these are like those greeny pill pockets.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. This is his first evaluation.
There we go.
April 18th. Okay.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Let's go, Tigger.
Come on, come on, Tigger. Yeah, particularly since he hasn't eaten today, because we don't want to make any messes.
He's nice and food motivated. Get behind you and see what he's got in the rear.
Come on.
Boy.
Come on. He says, I need more than
Okay.
this. I need more than this. You know, you want the whole thing. Here. Yeah, he wants
Okay.
this whole thing.
Alright, so he had a little bit of motor in the front. I want to see. Yeah, he's got some motor in the rear too. Okay. Oh, yeah, he's got good motor. All four.
He's had enough of those.
Okay.